Smells like boat ramp.
Smells like a boat ramp from the boat ramp fish.
Do eels fight each other?
Usually not. Oh, this one's gone into the worst spot too. That was ripped off. Oh, that's a heavy rock that he just picked up. He's fully picking this rock up. What's going on with the boat ramp fish?
He's just swimming around, he's good, man.
That eel just picked that rock up, and that rock's fairly heavy. Oh, the eel's here. Here he is. I want to see what happens when he meets the other eel.
Look, he spotted him, look at him, look at him.
His name's Monster, by the way.
He's looking at him like, what are you doing over there?
Oh, look at boat ramp. Oh, look at boat ramp. Look at boat ramp. Look at boat ramp. Oh, there goes boat ramp. Oh, boat ramp just got boat ramped.
That's half a boat ramp fish. He's still going.
Now there's half a boat ramp. I don't think he'll go that well now. He's still swimming.
Look at the 2 eels. They're getting close.
Oh,
they're punching on.
Oh, they're punching on.
Oh, no.
Got some eel action.
Ours has got girth on it. Well, you'll be alright, they'll sort it out.
They should sort themselves out. Yeah, there's an eel fight going on.
Big sword fight going on. Look at the rest.
The groper got it. The hell's going on here?
Some eel on eel action.
Yeah.
In the locker room they call it a sword fight.
What are they doing? Oh, look at that. It's some eel on eel action.
They're punching on.
Come on, guys, just be friends. Your tank's big enough, you can both get along.
No. Hopefully it's sorted out. One will kill the other.
Look, what are they actually doing? I can't really see.
Fighting each other.
I think the new one's biting the old one, isn't it?
I can't see what's going on. They're in a shit position.
You can see it from here.
What's going on?
Oh, the big one's fighting. What the man? Can't see it.
What's the new one doing?
Oh, there's hissing at each other.
Hissing?
Looks like the honeycomb one. Oh, what happened there?
What did that?
Blue. Here we go, it's coming out, it's coming out.
He's won.
No, he's coming back. This is like a dragon fight. Come on, just be friends. The Mary Rest has come over to watch.
Mary Rest is the ref.
Mary Ref's come to referee it. He fights with the shark all the time, so he's pretty familiar with fighting. Are you happy with yourself now you're at the rest of the boat ramp? The Mary Russ is just as interested as we are. He's got some weird technique going on that.
It's like a cobra.
It's like a cobra. It's a fucking cobra. Oh, he's cobraing him.